Hi, welcome to KIMCHITECH English. You can learn English easily. Study English through real story is very useful. The experience of listening to a story allows us to escape our own lives for a moment and live in another one in a fun and safe way. In the same magical experience, a goldmine of language may be learned. So let's begin.
Good evening. It's so nice to see you.
Good evening. I'm happy to see you too.
I missed you a lot, Jane.
Really? Did you?
Don't you believe me?
I don't know. But why didn't you call?
Forgive me. I was too busy. Did you feel offended?
Do you know I waited for your call all day?
You are right, and I'm sorry. I couldn't call. Can't you feel my love?
I just want to say you are the special one for me.
I love you, Jane. Trust me.
I do too, but we can't be together.
Why are you saying that?
You know, I was very excited when we first met.
Yeah. What do you mean?
I mean, this morning I felt as excited as I did at our first moment. But my parents are against us.
What? Why?
Yes, they have arranged for me to marry someone else this month.
What about love? Think about yourself, please.
All day I thought about us and cried. I waited for your call, for your message.
Jane, I will do my best. I will try for our future.
Anyway, my parents don't want this. I can't forget you, but I must.
You do? Let me have a chance. I will talk to your parents.
No need. They've set the wedding date. They said yes to the matchmakers.
Why are you giving up? Don't your parents care about your happiness?
They do, but I've always listened to my parents. I want to marry with their blessing.
But what about our happiness? What about our love?
It's not just about us. It's about our families too. I'm torn, but I feel I have no choice.
I understand the importance of family, but our love, it's real, Jane. Can't we try to convince them together?
I'm afraid it's too late for that. They've made up their minds.
I refuse to give up so easily. Love is worth fighting for.
I admire your determination, but please understand my position. I'm caught between love and duty.
I understand, but always remember, I love you, Jane, no matter what happens.
And I love you too. This is the hardest thing I've ever had to face.
I understand your position, Jane, but isn't there a way we can both be happy? Can we not find a compromise?
I wish there was, but my parents are firm. They believe in traditions, and disobeying them would cause too much pain.
But what about your happiness, Jane? Does that not count for anything?
It does, but so does my family's happiness. I can't be happy knowing I've caused them sorrow.
I can't stand the thought of losing you to someone else. Isn't there anything I can do?
Just remember the moments we shared, the love we have. Keep it in your heart, as I will keep it in mine.
It's hard, Jane. Knowing you'll be with someone else, it feels like my heart is being torn apart.
For the greater good of everyone involved.
I'll always hold on to the hope that one day things might change. That one day we'll be together.
Hope is something I cling to as well, but for now we must face this reality.
I'll never forget you, Jane. You'll always have a special place in my heart.
And you in mine. Please find happiness even if it's not with me.
How can I be happy without you?
By finding the strength to move forward, knowing we gave each other something beautiful, even if it was for a brief moment.
I'll try, Jane. For you, I'll try.
Thank you. That means more to me than you'll ever know.
Jane, I wish you all the happiness in the world.
Thank you for everything. You've made my life brighter, if only for a short while. We had good times, yes?
Yes. Do you remember when we first met?
Yes, I remember. It was a sunny day.
You wore a blue dress. You looked very beautiful.
Thank you. You were very polite and smiled at me.
I was nervous but happy to talk to you.
Me too. We talked about many things.
Yes, we did. I knew then you were special.
You made me feel special. It was a good day.
I didn't want the day to end.
Neither did I. It was the beginning for us.
I wish we could go back to that day.
Me too. But we will always have the memory.
Yes, that memory will always be in my heart.
And in mine too. It will be a treasure.
Even as we say goodbye, I'll remember our first day.
Yes, goodbye. Thank you for the memory.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video, there are so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Trust me, you will not want to miss what's next.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, ever, ever.